Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Trovo video quality not changing or lagging issue on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Video's quality depends heavily on internet speed. Swipe down from the top right corner and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or move closer to your Wi-Fi router for a stronger signal. Next, manually change the video quality while watching a stream on Trovo. Tap the settings or quality icon and choose a different resolutions. Wait a few seconds or then for the change to apply. Now close and reopen the Trovo app. Swipe off from the bottom of your screen and swipe away the app completely to close it. After a few seconds, open the app again and try changing the quality. Next, update the app. Go to the App Store and search for Trovo and install any available updates. App updates often fixes video quality bugs. If the issues continues, lower the video quality. If your internet is slow, our quality may not work properly. Switching to lower resolution can reduce lag. Finally, check Trovo server status. Sometimes lag or quality issue happen due to server problems, and waiting is the only solution. And that's it. This step should fix Trovo video quality issue on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.